you're stuck. I don't take videos of me, bitch. Ow! Get it! It hurts. Hold it, I don't care. Oh, he's hot.
I can't get up.
Stupid looking thing.
The bed moved a little bit. Oh shit.
Take the pillow.
Oh yeah, push it hard. Oh, get that in. 15. Oh shit, I'm 15. Which is so not true, because when someone tells you, if someone was to tell me, you know, I love you, I'd be like, dude, screw you.
Stop taking videos of me. Here, plug this in.
I see you.
See your vagina.
Ooh. This is my laptop.
I know.
I know. It's not even
Now
good.
plug this in, see if it works.
Now.
Just plug it in.
Get it in. My room, so pretty.
Bitch. Oh, yeah.
Beach.
Great, now I have to get back up here, and it's probably going to push over again.